Good morning, everyone. It's Kathy here, and we're doing a little spotlight this morning on our clematis, or sorry, not clematis. I will be doing clematis, but these are honeysuckles. And I wanted to get out here because this is like the time they're just going bananas. We're not gonna see how little I've weeded, but this one right here, this is the first one that comes into bloom. This is the Dropmore Scarlett honeysuckle. We'll get here a little closer here and show you the beautiful flowers. Look at these tubular shaped flowers. They're just beautiful. The hummingbirds love these vines. And you can see why, because they're just the perfect little flower to slide their beaks in and get the nectar. But these vines are just monsters this year. You can see they're just hanging off, doing their thing, and I just love them. This particular one is hardy in zones 3 to 9. And can grow about 8 to 12 feet tall, 6 feet wide. We have ours, both of ours, growing along chicken wire. I don't know if you can see, we've attached this chicken wire to the side of the garage. We screwed in some of these little brackets and then fastened the chicken wire to that, just to give it something to glom onto, you know. And it's doing wonderfully. I just love the color. It's fabulously loaded with blooms. And all I do in the spring with this one is I cut it back kind of flush with the chicken wire. You know, I just give it a good chop back. Nothing fancy. And I just continue to let it do its thing there. And then the second one we have is Goldflame. This is the Goldflame. It's hardy zones 5 to 9 and gets about 10 to 15 feet tall and 3 to 6 feet wide. Oh, we got a little bumble. You see him? You can see the bumbles love it. The hummingbirds love it. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful honeysuckle. I find this one to be a little more fragrant than the Scarlett Dropmore. Oh, look at him. He's happy. He's a happy little bee. So anyway, the same tips. Oh, there's another bee. As you can see, the bees love them. So both of these do really well here. They get the same treatment, the same cut back in spring. And that's it. I mean, nothing fancy. I have mulch around the base. But other than that, I give them once in a while a little bit of supplemental water because they are under the eaves here. But nothing fancy, only if it hasn't had rain outside for a while. Mine are facing west, so they get sun all afternoon, really hot sun in the late afternoon, and they just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So again, these are honeysuckle, Scarlett Dropmore, and Goldflame. And I hope you've liked seeing them. They're just gorgeous, and the bees love them, and the hummingbirds love them. And even one year we had a song sparrow make a nest way up on top here. So the birds love them as well. They do get berries in the fall, which the birds will also eat. But, I mean, How gorgeous is that? Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. And enjoy your summers, everyone. Bye for now.